Okay, now I'm going to show you how to do an angled cut with the planer, and this happens all the time, so you've got to know how to handle it. So I've determined I need to cut this angle off the door in order to get it to fit. So how am I going to do that? Am I going to start with my planer down here and work it this way? No. Am I going to start with the planer here and push it downhill to match that line? No, you're not going to do that either. Start on the side where you need to remove the most material. It's just work in short strokes. I'm just going to plane an inch or two and work this down. And every couple of strokes, I'm going to go farther and farther. But first, I need to work this area down. So I'm going to hold my planer here and just make a couple of short passes, and you'll see this wood will start to disappear. It's starting to come down. When you're doing something like this, you want to check it as you go. So I still need to take some more off here. Down lower, and since it's getting uneven, I want to make a longer pass to even that out. See, I'm a little high right there. I want to hit that spot, and I'm still a little high here, so I want to hit this again. Almost even. So I can start doing longer strokes. Now I can maybe take the planer down one notch, and that way I'm not cutting much material because I'm in the area here where I want to fine tune. And look at that. Now we've got a nice even line. And that's how you cut an angle. It's not that hard.